You've learned the basics of Dart, and now it's time for the exciting part, writing your first program. Imagine this is your playground, and the code is your creation. Let's build something together. Every Dart program starts with the main function. This is the entry point where your program's execution begins. Now, let's add a statement to tell the computer what to do. We'll use the print function to display a message on the screen. This is your first complete Dart program. It says hello world to the world. Well, technically the computer screen. Congratulations. You successfully written, saved, and run your first Dart program. Isn't that amazing? Remember, you can change the message to anything you like. Experiment and explore different possibilities. This is just your first step in the exciting world of programming. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep creating amazing things with Dart.